Namaste everybody, I hope you're doing well, having a happy-go-lucky day and life. This is the planetarium. The entrance is towards that side. That is the Universidad metro station, University metro station. There goes a telescope looking thing right there for the stars, for the planetarium. So if you are here in beautiful eternal spring or whatever eternal summer these days, Medellin, come here. Planetario de Medellin, the Medellin Planetarium. Jesus Emilio Ramirez Gonzalez. I'm doing this video in 4K just so you can enjoy it. It's going to be about 8 minutes max. Parque de los Deseos y Casa de la Música, the wishing park and the house of music, or the music house. So they have concerts here all the time and events like stuff like that, and they enjoy it a lot in general. And I'm showing you what, and I don't know if that guy was whistling as a lookout for somebody to do something. I always keep alert of places and things. So they're going to have some kind of concert here today. They're preparing for it, or this weekend. It's a long weekend. This is almost mid-October now. Today's October 8th, or is it October 9th? No, October 9th. There's a coffee shop there, a cafe. That's the planetarium. So that guy with the red cap and the red shirt over there, I don't know why he was whistling when I'm passing by, because sometimes they got lookouts because they hear you speaking in English and then they might want to rob you. This is a shopping center here, small shopping center with a Smart Fit in it, a movie theater as well, a little McDonald's ice cream thing over there. So look, Universidad metro station, and it's a beautiful day out here, and all of these good things. So now we're going to cross on over to the other side, and we're going to walk over here. The Botanical Garden is right over there, the Medellin Botanical Garden. But I'm just showing you a little bit of this, and it's nice because we have the signs here. It says which way to what and how many meters away it is. Jardin Botanico Joaquin Antonio Uribe, in English and in Spanish. Okay, so I must look like white, like an American or a foreigner, because the man was trying to talk to me in his broken English. Funny guy. That's the entrance to the Botanical Garden. This is Parque Explora over here. Let's see if we can show you a little bit of the entrance to this place. The Botanical Garden entrance is right over here. On the weekends, this is busier. Today is a Thursday in the month of October. I'm just making sure that nobody's trying to pull a fast one on me in terms of a robbery or something. You never know. I haven't been robbed since 1997. That was the last time I was robbed, and that was in Alto La Guajira, not even here in Medellin. It was all the way up north by the border with Venezuela, after Santa Marta, after Rio Hacha. So this is the Jardin Botanico de Medellin, and the entrance is right over there. And I've been in there a few times. It's great, it's nice, and I think entrance is free. You just gotta register or something. I don't think they charge, and they got a restaurant inside, a cafe, and some things as well, and I think an ATM machine too. Let's keep walking. Look at the beautiful stuff. But I'm just showing you a short video here of this area where you can come and visit and do your own exploration. At the end of this video, I'll leave my contact details in case you know what I do and you want to reach out and touch someone like MCI, or was it Sprint? I forgot the jingle. I am a Colombian American, born and raised in the US of A. My mom was Colombian, my father is Colombian, and my brother and I were born in the USA. Thanks to mom and dad, especially mom, who did all the work, the hard work. And so the Botanical Garden is beautiful. But like I said, I'm not going to go in there. Plus, I don't have much time right now because I got to go do some errands. But I'm showing you a brief thing. That's the metro station, like I said before. Where are we now? Minute 4 or 5 or whatever. I can't even see. Yeah, I don't have my glasses on. I didn't bring glasses. Dang, usually I would bring them in my backpack, but I left them at home in my fanny pack that is destroyed. Fruit. Buenos dias. Medellin, aquí todo florece. Medellin, everything blossoms here. Aquí todo florece. That's what it says right down there. Photosynthesis. I would not buy any of that. Please do not buy any of that, because who knows how long it's been out there and what kind of flies have dropped their poop on it. Says this is Parque Explora here, and they got a public experimentation workshop here, and you got all kinds of stuff. Look at that, the dinosaur. Parque Explora Park, and students come here, even though this week these are students from some technical universities. These are not high school students or children. And Cosmos, Navigation Through the Universe, Imagine the Universe by Carl Sagan. Oh, there you go. That was yesterday at 7 p.m. over there at Parque Los Deseos. They promote whatever they're doing here, and they had the Philharmonic, the Medellin Philharmonic Orchestra playing and at the planetarium. That was yesterday, because today is, no, that's today actually. Today, Thursday, tonight. But when you see this, it's too late already. So this is the entrance to this place, and I've never been in here. One of these days I gotta come, and you gotta pay admission or something, or whatever it is. So Parque Explora, Medellin Mayor's Office, Alcaldía de Medellin. This is a public space for science and knowledge at the service of social transformation for Medellin. Sergio Fajardo Valderrama, the mayor that was in charge of this plaque and everything, back in December of 2007. So they have all kinds of stuff here. Music room, children's room, celestial animals like the stars, the constellations. So many things. Aquarium, open room, whatever. Mental room, dinosaurs, all of this. So that's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed this brief video about Parque Explora. See you in the next episode. Namaste. Have a happy Lucky Go day.